Hi, my name is Maddie Sacry, and I'm one of the coastal restoration interns from Brown. So I've done a diverse amount of things with the Nature Conservancy thus far. We just got done with the day of our juvenile fish seining survey, which involves going out to a bunch of different stations and collecting fish, measuring the fish, counting them, and then throwing them back in the water. Before this internship, I had never held a fish before, I had never handled crabs before, and so getting the experience to do that in a really controlled and comforting and supportive environment has been wonderful. I still don't really know what I want my career to be within environmental science. I know that I want it to involve field work, and I'm really passionate about protecting the environment. And so right now I just want to explore a lot of different careers within environmental science through internships and volunteering. And this internship has definitely given me